this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly update your Xbox controller on your Xbox Series X. So I have the Elite controller right here, and I just found out there's an update because I went to Xbox accessories. So you can press the Xbox button, go down to My Games and Apps, go to See All, and then go to Apps and go to the right. And we're looking for the little thumbstick. This is Xbox accessories. Select this. It'll take you to this page. And locate your controller over here. Mine is currently connected, and it says update required. So there's my controller on the screen. Here's my controller in my hand. Let's press A on update required. And it says ready to update. This ensures peak performance. Press A on update now. Keep the controller motionless and turn on. So just set it down on a table or a ground on a flat surface. And don't move while the update is applying. And it should go relatively quick. Mine's at like 4 or 5% right now. And if it doesn't work, just simply try it again on a different surface and don't touch your controller. So you shouldn't need to plug this in at all. You can do this wirelessly, but just go to that section under Xbox accessories and you should be good to go. So there's not going to be any kind of alert or notification that pops up on your screen with a new update like it would on the PlayStation. On the Xbox, you just have to go to Xbox accessories and find out if there's an update or not. So once you go there, it's going to say update required. Go ahead and do the update and you should be good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.